one.
Downed him.
Down.
One bullet.
Nice.
Mate's just behind him, raising him, I'd say.
Roger. I'll chuck a little Semtex over there.
I got one as well, over through.
Give him one of these.
Downed again.
To our left.
That's all
Armoring
you.
up. I'm in an issue here. They're pushing my building. Down one. Back over on you.
One's on me.
Yep, looking over you. You can fall back this way. I've got your cover. Down.
I got a plate. He's still got one on you, or you did?
I killed him.
Excellent. Good job.
Mate, we're working well together. We're getting each other's styles in, eh?
Beautiful. As soon as we got that down pat. Whoa, shit. Another one on me.
Oh.
Backside.
Trying to get eyes on. Tagged up. Just over here.
Beautiful.
Must oh, he's on the top. No way, he got me.
Got no view. Got a bugger, man.
That was good shots by him. I should have shouted. I should have gone for cover.
Your teammate is in the gulag now. If they survive, they'll rejoin you.
He's still on top. I think he might have just jumped off.
He got away, did he?
Yeah, I was out of there.
Out of there. Hey, just keep this game alive. Especially because your boy lost his gulag.
It's alright, we got it back for the reset. Sounds good. Tell me when you're ready. Pop it. My left, real close to me. Cracked him.
You can pop it.
Popping.
That was the guy he brought back. Other guy's up on me.
UAV beginning.
You got no visual? You're better. You're so much better.
Let's go, baby. Got an SDG for you.
Nice, I'm pretty kitted now, actually.
That's a clutch
Ooh,
here.
he's got an MP40, surely. Nope.
Sad to see that. Yeah, he's just near me, near this rock, just in front. Here. Real close, real close.
Enemy UAV active.
Down.
Beautiful.
Got absolutely rinsed.
Got a precision on him as well. His mate was down to the left.
Scored that precision. Ah, he's delivered the MP40 for me. What a guy.
Oh, beautiful. Come on, mate. Where are you? Where are you? There he is on the left, on the wall. Cracks. Down.
Dead.
Let's go. It's jumping around in the open, trying to get him to shoot to see where he is, mate. Played out well.
Baited him out. Baited him out. I'll be honest. I couldn't see. I was just shooting at where his flash muzzle was, and I was hitting, so I was like cheering.
Well, I can't see anybody else on the left side.
That was all, I believe, from the...
Oh, I didn't get the snipe. Oh, no. Oh, didn't need it. On top, on the roof, He's running across.
Roger.
Peppered it, down.
Yeah, get him out.
Finished. He doesn't know. That's what he said.
Let him. He doesn't know. It's still the one behind us. That's what he's talking
45 meters on the left, still on beat. Underneath
Big
the
building,
bounty.
you reckon?
Yeah, underneath the bounty. Looks like it. It's not refreshing.
2 minutes. Oh, he's on roof. I'm just armoring up.
No worries. I'm gonna push with Daddy.
Did you, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm deadied.
You should not have shot then. What was your first mistake?
I missed the roof.
Oh,
He's on
no,
the
he's back
next
the other
roof.
side now.
Thermite, go in.
Getting over there.
No worries. Got him.
Better.
Let's go.
You're so much better than these guys.
Woo.
I'm gonna go get this. The old Griff Dog. What kind of a name is Griff Dog?
I don't know, man. He's got the door closed in there. He's hiding in there. Good old Griff Dog's a scaredy dog.
He's a punce. A big old punce.
Man, watch out. He's going to be a little chihuahua, man. He's going to come bite our ankles when we get in.
Right, he's gonna have small dog syndrome for sure.
Right side.
Front.
Oh, he's downed.
He stunned me.
Yeah,
That's
stunned
the
me
Griff
too.
Dog.
I'm going to push with Daddy.
I like it.
Easy.
Get him out, man. Let him stand up
Easy.
for a second, just so you can sit him down, you know?
It's just gonna.
Name something you put in your mouth but don't swallow.
These nuts.
Got him.
The double 2 bag.
You gotta give it to him sometimes.
Crossbow. I got a precision on me. Oh, another
Might
Yui.
pop a little wabi.
Yeah, you got anything on you? Yeah, all right. I'll keep my money on me.
Allied UAV overhead.
Nothing.
Hunt them down.
No, zip zilch. Big goose egg.
Massive,
That was
Mark the
good.
bounty contract.
massive UAV.
Beautiful.
Bro, this is your lobby, man. You were rinsing this lobby.
Going beautiful. Gotta get a
feel like
20
I'm-
bomb.
I'm on the roof.
1 second. I'm gonna look at him in a second.
Why are you shooting them?
Yeah, second floor.
Oh, I can't get in. They're going too far. I feel like I'm really letting down the team right now. Bro, I got no visuals. Where are we talking?
They're coming here. No, he's down me. No.
Bro, I still got no visuals. Where
Oh
are we
no.
talking?
He rezzed him. They're jumping out. They're jumping out the window. I can't believe he downed me. I got stuck.
No. I'm like looking at every possible angle I could see.
Your
in
mum
that
is so
building.
proud of you, my man.
Out and you return to the front line. Lose and you're finished. Prove you can still fight, soldier.
How about this gun though, right?
Woo. That recoil, man. Holy. That's crazy. We're gonna buy in fields down here. Only thing I can do is probably big game bounty, maybe.
Thank you,
That
my
truck
friend.
just got out. Just got another truck. So
Flying in.
Yep. Got him. Next one's in the double house.
Oh, he's just stunned me. There's a grenade actually. You didn't go with it.
Got him. Team up.
You're actually just so much better than these
Ooh.
guys.
This Volt gun, that just no sight gun, man, that clapped just in.
Yeah,
Yeah. Killed that dude so fast.
I like that.
Enemy UAV active.
8,900. 1,100 more.
Guy just dropped in just here. I feel okay. The guns I got. It's not the
Oh,
worst.
sniper
not
on the
best.
hill, watch out. Further
Oh,
in
probably
front of us.
Griff Dog flying in. Right here. Crack.
Beautiful, down.
Down.
His mate's
He's in the
coming out.
window.
His mate's just in the window.
Yeah.
Right hand side window. Someone else is further left of me, straight in front of me.
Yep.
Time to smoke 'em.
I'm hearing the sniffies.
Backing off slightly.
Enemy precision
Yeah,
airstrike. Stay alert.
One in this house and one further back from the house.
Down. Crack the house. Crack the house. Another team pushing in the backside of the house.
Yep.
Two. Okay.
I got a plate,
Trying to cover for you. Oh, now I gotta play it.
Plate up.
I only got the one. He's out the backside. Outside.
Got this one.
Nice.
Got a plate.
Just stay together with two-man this last guy.
Yep. One more, yeah.
He's out the window.
Shoot me.
He's inside. Got him.
Nice. Good job.
Oh my god, whatever this Volk is, man, that claps, bro. That's
Feeling
crazy,
that nasty,
man.
hey?
Yeah, man, that's nasty. I'm gonna steal some of these cars.
Got the car 98. Okay.
There you go. I'm gonna steal his Mac
Haven't
10.
got this thing in a hot minute.
Gas is right on your tail.
It's this M4. It's got a dirty old... Oh, man, this is a horrible sight on this gun. Grabbing this STG.
Hey, all this
I'm good.
Look at these sights, man. It's got a 4-8 on it. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, top right side.
Yep.
Gonna go hard left rotation, see if we can get the tip top, but I
If
don't
we
know.
can get up, that'd
Yeah.
be amazing.
I don't know if we're gonna have enough time. We might just have enough time. I think there's a passageway
I
just
don't
here.
have a gassy.
I don't either. Oh man, we might just make it.
Oh, let's go, baby. I think I'll tickle the gas. Just nah, we're in, baby.
Oh.
That's huge.
Nothing on B. Definitely people in front here, though. Munitions going down here. I'm going to grab this barricade.
Ammo for you.
Roger.
Someone grab that.
See the guys on the buy up ahead.
I just hit a bouncing Betty it was.
Yeah. On left side.
Yep.
Crack.
Down. Almost finished.
Finish.
Another one in front of me.
On you. Oh, I didn't even thought that was you. Nice. I thought that was you, bro. I didn't
Oh
even
my
shoot
God.
the guy.
No worries, you're all good.
I got no gassy, so you're going to have to run.
Yeah.
Pretty slow. Woo!
That's so awkward. The gassy on this body just here.
You got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Yes. Oh, it's only got one little tick on it.
We're
We're talking 3 teams. 2v2
I got a
with one.
precision. Yeah, you want to get a precision quickly?
I got a cluster. I don't know. Cluster's probably
Yeah.
good
Do you
for
want a
zone.
selfie?
Yeah.
See some cash there.
Might come in clutch. All right, so we got a solo and then a duo.
And a duo.
You've got gas moving in.
Thinking about here.
Rally point
Not in
mark for
I think
zone.
there was a guy just there.
Rally
Really?
point mark for you.
Oh my
Yeah, that
god.
one. Hit him twice.
Put a precision on him.
Strike.
I can't see him. Finish him.
Yeah, I can't see him either.
Got him.
Right, nice.
That was the duo.
Yep.
Beautiful, man. 2 solos then.
I see the last.
Taken out.
Dead.
Beautiful. One solo, one solo.
It's been a while since I've sniped with a decent sniper. Tell you what, it feels good.
Gotta watch out on that left side, mate. Left behind me. Shot me in the ass. He's just under you there somewhere.
Oh, gotcha. Tagged. Cracked. Dead.
Let's go, baby! GG's, man.
Oh, 98 coming in clutch at the end.
It was, man. Hey, he was in that little bush, man. As soon as I dropped out.
It's chilling in it.
What a game.
Jeez. Good one to finish it on for
Oh,
you,
100%, man. 15 bomb. Whew.
That's good. Hey, and I called back in at the end there too. That's
Yeah,
good.
That's good, man. GG's, chat.
That was fun.
What a game.
It's my
GG's,
team.
guys. Good game.
Big love to you, mate. It was an awesome session as always.
Nah, man, it was beautiful, bro.
And
Absolutely.
we'll play again soon, I'm sure.
Oh, sounds